Bitcoin mining without investment. Mine 1.5 Bitcoin using free sites in 2023. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we're about to unravel the secrets of Bitcoin mining in 2023. And guess what? You won't need a single dime to get started. That's right. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin mining without investment. Picture this: mining 1.5 BTC, and all you need are a few clicks and some internet connection. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But hold on to your hats because we're about to blow your mind. In this video, we're going to explore the most cutting edge and reliable free sites that allow you to mine Bitcoin without putting a dent in your wallet. Now, you might be wondering, is it really possible to mine significant amounts of Bitcoin without investing any money? The short answer? Yes, and we're going to show you exactly how. Whether you're a seasoned crypto pro or just starting your journey into the world of digital currencies, this video is your golden ticket to mastering the art of mining Bitcoin without breaking the bank. But hey, we don't just stop at the basics. We've scoured the depths of the internet to bring you the most up-to-date methods and tools that are working wonders in 2023. We'll guide you through the entire process, from setting up your account to maximizing your mining potential. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on this thrilling adventure with us. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and resources to start your own Bitcoin mining journey without spending a single penny. Get ready to witness the magic happen right here, right now. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of Bitcoin mining without investment. Mine 1.5 BTC using free sites in 2023. Don't miss out. Your future in crypto starts now. Introduction to Bitcoin mining. Before we jump headfirst into the world of Bitcoin mining without investment, let's lay down the foundation. What exactly is Bitcoin mining and how can you obtain those coveted digital coins? Today, we'll walk you through the essentials with a special focus on Bitcoin mining using browsers and online platforms. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the heartbeat of the Bitcoin network. It's the process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are added to the blockchain, the decentralized ledger that underpins the entire cryptocurrency. But how does it work? Imagine a vast digital lottery where miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles validate and secure Bitcoin transactions, and the first miner to solve it gets to add a new block to the blockchain. As a reward, they earn freshly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees. This process not only creates new Bitcoins, but also keeps the network secure and operational. Methods to obtain Bitcoins. There are several methods to obtain Bitcoins, each with its own level of complexity and investment requirements. Here are a few. Buying Bitcoins. The most straightforward method is to purchase Bitcoins through cryptocurrency exchanges using your local currency. Earn Bitcoins. You can earn Bitcoins by providing goods or services and requesting payment in Bitcoin. Bitcoin faucets. These are websites that give away small amounts of Bitcoin for completing simple tasks. Bitcoin mining. This is where it gets interesting. Bitcoin mining is the process we're diving into today, and it can be done using browsers and online platforms. Bitcoin mining using browsers and online platforms. In recent years, technology has evolved to make Bitcoin mining more accessible. Thanks to innovative browser based mining tools and online platforms, you can now participate in the mining process without expensive hardware or significant investments. These platforms harness the processing power of your computer's CPU or GPU while you browse the web, allowing you to mine bitcoins passively. It's a user-friendly way to dip your toes into mining without the need for specialized equipment. Part 2. Setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Now that you're ready to venture into the world of Bitcoin mining without investment, the first thing you need is a secure Bitcoin wallet. In this section, we'll guide you on how to create one using popular platforms like Coinbase, highlighting the critical importance of a secure wallet for receiving the bitcoins you mine. Why you need a Bitcoin wallet? A Bitcoin wallet is your digital vault for storing and managing your cryptocurrency. Think of it as your personal bank account in the world of Bitcoin. When you mine Bitcoins, you need a safe place to receive and store them. That's where a Bitcoin wallet comes in. Here's why it's crucial. Security. Your wallet keeps your Bitcoin safe from the theft and hacking. It uses robust encryption techniques to ensure your funds are secure. Control. With a Bitcoin wallet, you have complete control over your funds. You're not relying on a third party to hold your assets. Access. You can access your Bitcoins anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Creating a Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most user-friendly and widely used platforms for creating a Bitcoin wallet. Here's how to get started. Visit Coinbase. Go to the Coinbase website, coinbase.com, and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a strong password, and complete the verification process. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your Coinbase account. Verify identity. Coinbase may require you to complete identity verification. This involves providing personal information and, in some cases, submitting identification documents. Create your wallet. Once your account is set up and verified, you can create a Bitcoin wallet. Click on the Wallets tab, select Bitcoin, and then click Create Wallet. Back up your wallet. Coinbase will now prompt you to create a backup phrase. This is a crucial step. Write down the backup phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. It's your key to recovering your wallet if you ever lose access. Congratulations! You now have a secure Bitcoin wallet on Coinbase. Part 3. Introduction to CryptoBrowser.site. Welcome to the next chapter of our Bitcoin mining adventure. In this section, we're going to introduce you to CryptoBrowser.site, a legitimate Bitcoin mining browser available for both Android and iOS devices. We'll also uncover its unique passive income feature that lets you mine Bitcoins effortlessly in the background. What is CryptoBrowser.site? CryptoBrowser.site is a game changer in the world of Bitcoin mining. It's a browser-based mining tool that allows you to turn your smartphone or tablet into a mining powerhouse. This innovative platform harnesses the processing power of your device to mine bitcoins while you go about your daily routine. The best part? CryptoBrowser.site is completely legitimate and user friendly, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced miners. Mining on the go. Whether you're an Android or iOS user, CryptoBrowser.site has you covered. You can easily download the app from your device's app store and start mining right away. Gone are the days of expensive mining rigs and complicated setups. With CryptoBrowser.site, you can carry your mining operation in your pocket. The passive income advantage. Now let's talk about the magic of passive income. CryptoBrowser.site's most remarkable feature is its ability to mine bitcoins in the background while you use your device for other tasks. You don't have to actively monitor or engage with the mining process. Just let the app run and it'll work its mining magic quietly in the background. This means that you can earn bitcoins passively whether you're scrolling through social media, checking your emails, or even watching videos. It's an excellent way to make your device work for you and accumulate bitcoins without lifting a finger. In our upcoming sections, we'll walk you through the process of setting up CryptoBrowser.site, maximizing your mining potential, and ensuring your earnings are securely transferred to your Coinbase wallet. Part 4. Using featuredpoints.com for microtasks. In this segment, we'll dive into featuredpoints.com, a platform that offers an exciting way to earn bitcoins by completing microtasks. We'll introduce the platform, guide you through the sign up process, explain how to complete tasks, and reveal the steps to redeem your hard earned points for bitcoins. What is featuredpoints.com? FeaturedPoints.com is your gateway to converting your spare time into cryptocurrency. It's a platform that connects you with a wide range of micro tasks, allowing you to earn points for your efforts. These points can then be converted into bitcoins, making it an innovative way to accumulate cryptocurrency without any upfront investment. Getting started. Sign up. The first step is to visit featuredpoints.com and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation email. Explore available tasks. After logging in, browse the available tasks on the platform. These tasks can vary from filling out surveys, testing apps, or even watching short videos. Choose tasks that interest you or match your skills. Complete tasks. Start completing the selected tasks. Be sure to follow the instructions provided for each task to ensure you receive the maximum number of points. Earn points. As you complete tasks, you'll earn points. The more tasks you complete, the more points you accumulate in your featuredpoints.com account. Redeeming points for bitcoins. Accumulate enough points. To redeem your points for bitcoins, you'll need to accumulate a sufficient amount. The specific point to Bitcoin conversion rate may vary, so check the platform for the current rates. Access the redemption page. Featuredpoints.com typically has a dedicated page or section where you can initiate the redemption process. Navigate to this section. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address. You'll be prompted to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. This is crucial to ensure your Bitcoins are transferred to the correct wallet. Confirm and redeem. Review the details, confirm the redemption, and voila! Your hard earned points will be converted into Bitcoins and transferred to your specified wallet. FeaturedPoints.com offers a convenient and straightforward way to earn Bitcoins by completing micro tasks. It's an excellent option for those looking to accumulate cryptocurrency without making any initial investments. Number 5. MoonBitcoin.com Free Bitcoin Mining. In this section, we'll introduce you to MoonBitcoin.com, a reputable platform for free Bitcoin mining. We'll walk you through the sign-up process, explain the mining duration, and unveil how users can collect hourly bonuses to boost their Bitcoin earnings. What is MoonBitcoin.com? MoonBitcoin.com is a well-established and trusted platform in the world of free Bitcoin mining. It offers users the opportunity to mine Bitcoins without any upfront investment. With its user-friendly interface and rewarding features, it's a go-to choice for those looking to earn Bitcoin for free. Getting started. Sign up. To embark on your moonbitcoin.com journey, visit their website and sign up for an account. You'll typically need to provide your email address and create a password. Verify your email and you're ready to roll. Mining duration. MoonBitcoin.com offers a unique twist on traditional mining. Instead of running complex algorithms, you'll be able to claim Bitcoins at regular intervals. The mining duration here is not continuous but rather a series of claims. Claiming Bitcoins. Users can claim free Bitcoins by clicking a button on the website. These claims can be made at various intervals, ranging from minutes to hours, depending on your preferences and activity on the platform. Hourly bonuses. One of MoonBitcoin.com's standout features is its hourly bonuses. Here's how it works. Regular claims. Users can make regular claims for free Bitcoins at any time. The more frequently you claim, the higher your loyalty bonus becomes, which means you'll earn even more Bitcoins over time. Mystery bonuses. MoonBitcoin.com offers mystery bonuses that you can claim on an hourly basis. These bonuses add an element of surprise and excitement to your mining experience. Referral program. MoonBitcoin.com also has a referral program. If you refer friends or other users to the platform, you'll receive a percentage of their earnings as a bonus. By consistently claiming free Bitcoins and taking advantage of the hourly bonuses